Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you tips to get great pumpkin seed in Garden Game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get seed, we need to go to the seed shop. And unfortunately, this great pumpkin seed is pretty rare. And it's one of the transcendent seed in Global Garden. And it's limited. As you can see that it has no stock right now, and I'm going to give you tips to get this the great pumpkin seed. So the first one guys, you can add seed digger pad in your garden, such as this dog and also this bone dog. It has ability to dig random seed, and you will have more chances to get the great pumpkin seed. Who knows? The dog can dig up the pumpkin seed. The great pumpkin seed. Okay, I have two dogs in my garden, the dog and also the bone dog, and it can increase our chance or possibility to get the great pumpkin seed. Or you can join the admin abuse, which happens every week in the weekend. Sometimes the admin restock the rare pumpkin seed, but it's limited guys. I don't know, maybe after this Halloween event is over, maybe they will remove the great pumpkin seed from the seed shop. But who knows? You can join the admin abuse and you will have more chances to get this great pumpkin seed. And then the last tips is joining the Grow a Garden Discord server, and you can turn on the seed notification. So every seed that restock in Grow a Garden, you will get notification immediately. So you can check the stock in Grow a Garden using the notification from Discord server. Okay guys, and that's all the tips from me. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.